Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the smooth sand stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, and cast on. If you need help with any of those, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do any of that. So to get started, you want to cast on multiples of 2 plus 1. Now for row 1, that's very easy. We are just going to knit each stitch. And the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 1 and 2. It's also to note that row 1 is the right side of the work that will be facing towards you once it's finished. All right, we are going to turn our work. And for row 2, we are going to start off with a knit stitch. And then the repeat for the rest of the row is going to be purl 1, knit 1. So we're going to purl and then knit. All the way to the end of your work. So it's a purl 1, knit 1. So again, the repeat for this pattern is going to be row 1 is all knitting, and row 2 is you start off with a knit and then do a purl 1, knit 1 all the way to the end of your work. And there you go. That's how you do the smooth sands knit pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy knitting day.